Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I'm SEBI certified research analyst. This video we are seeing about candlesticks patterns. So here last video we seen about hammer candlesticks, and previously we are completed about single candlesticks pattern. So we have two types of single candles. We have a lot of the candlesticks pattern. We give a more importance to the doji as well as inverted hammer. So these two type of candles, the hammer candles, so we are giving you more importance. So based on that four candles, how we can effectively do the reversal and continuation pattern using the candlesticks alone. So we are not using any other indicator, simply we are going to follow the candlesticks patterns to understand the reversal and continuation in the market. Okay, so before going to the video, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategy. So we are in this video we are going to see there will be some important thing about the candlesticks pattern. We know about the single candlesticks pattern on our last videos. So here now the strategical basis we are going to understand, and before that kindly make subscribe the channel. So here what we are going to learn this video, so the doji at the bottom. So we already seen oral so slightly, so but here we can see that as a the strategy doji at the bottom. So doji candle we already know, doji at bottom. So how we handle the case, so doji at the bottom. So what is the thing behind that? So the doji at bottom, so what is the validation about the doji at bottom? The previous candle should be red in candle, the big red candle. Okay, the previous candle should be big red candle, and the next candle should be a doji in before that or in between that. So here there will be two types. And next thing, this is the pattern we are going to see, that is a doji at a bottom. So the downtrend must be in progress, previous trend must be in downtrend. We are waiting for the trend reversal. So in this pattern we are going to find out the reversal and trend. So using the doji, so we are find out reversal in the trend, and the first day must be long red candle followed by the doji. So here the doji candle and the long red candle followed by the doji. This is what a first initial confirmation doji at the bottom. So if a doji forms within the body, prior to the candle, within the red body of the candle, it is Aramic cross pattern. So for example, if the candlesticks which is forms big red candle and prior trend is downtrend, that remember priorly it is coming down here. If doji forms here, so this is called Aramic cross pattern. So here RAMI, Aramic cross pattern. Okay, this pattern is called Aramic cross pattern, and this pattern is called doji at bottom. This is called a doji star, or doji at bottom, or doji star, because it looks like a star, doji at star. And these are the patterns we know that valid patterns. So using the valid patterns, how we are going to trade on the market, that is important. Okay, so when we find out that this kind of what happened, I think net is disconnected. Let's wait for some time, it will coming to that. Okay, I hope this is not a useful this website I taken for today as a new. So here there will be a previous trend is in down, and doji forms a doji star forms, and the next you have to wait. Some people are trying to trade buy above here and sell below, stop loss here. This is not a right way. We have to wait, the market should reverse, and we have to wait for the crosses above this candle. This is whatever valid here, valid buy entry, and this as my stop loss. So you can wait for a 1:1 or 1:2, and the normally doji is the indicator of trend reversal, but even if it is forms at a lower level, so we have to wait to cross here. And previous thing what we have seen, the previous doji, so it is also be red candle. One we seen, this is a doji star, and here this is what Aramic cross pattern. So here also we have to wait, the market is crosses above, here we are going to buy, and we have make a stop loss below. And this is the confirmation candle where we forming, this is the confirmation candle. If the candle forms as a green, it must cross above the previous candle of doji candle. So this is what the pattern we have to take a trade. Let's try to the trade any stocks or anything which happens. So we will try to trade. For example, any Nifty. Let's check Nifty. So doji forms at the bottom and try to trend reversal in the market. So this is another pattern which forms at a top. Doji forms at a top. So let's check anywhere. Here you see that doji forms at a top. Here doji forms at a top. So here it is not a right example for what we are seeing. We are seeing the doji bottom. We are seeing for a doji bottom. So let's check any other stocks which forms. So there will be a scanner is there. So we use the scanner and we can easily find out that there will be a big a lot of time saving charting, and so many websites is there to scan this kind of patterns. So we easily scan this kind of patterns and we can try to trade on the same thing. So let's try to see what are the stocks which forms that kind of pattern. This is what hourly chart, and doji at a bottom. So big red candle here, you see that looks like a same thing, but here what happened, the trend, previous trend should be down in trend, but here it goes up in trend. So here this is not a that doji at the bottom. So that we have to important the main important thing you have to understand, the doji at the doji star, the small doji candle which forms below the low of the previous candle, and also the trend should be, previous trend should be down in nature. So here we cannot able to find out. Let's see any if we are finding any other thing, so should be good. So on daily basis, let's check any daily basis chart which forms a doji candle. So these are the patterns. We have a lot of potential to give you market reversal, but we have to daily basis, we have to track the stocks, all the stocks, and find out what are where their kind of trending signal is happen, or a trade signal is happen. So we have to find out a daily basis. So once you try to do that same thing by daily basis, you will be getting a lot of trade opportunities. Okay, so once you get this regular, as a regular practice, you will be getting some good say here also there will be another thing. I think last video also we are checking about, this is a doji, this is a long leg doji. So here not we are seeing the doji star. Doji star, it looks like great, so I like that. So previous candle and it forms that, but we have to wait for the cross over here. So if you take it out, so this is a doji cross or doji star. If you check that these two candles, you check it out here, this one here, some importance here you have to understand. So how we can effectively do. So when we are doing the analysis, so market is previously it's going down in trend, so we found there will be a doji star. Doji star at the bottom. So previous candle also be red candle and doji forms at the bottom, but so people, if you are trying to buy here, sometimes it triggers and it continues, but we are waiting for the reversal above here with the stop loss of the, there will be a no entry not triggered. So this is the wave pattern we have to find out. So if you find out lot of stocks based on this pattern, so you will be getting a lot of stocks day by day. So for example, if I find out using charting website, for let us assume how we can effectively find out. For example, charting, if I go to the screener, so if you are having knowledge, you can create a screener also, doji at bottom. So if any screener available, we can use that screener. So if it is working well means we can use that screener. Doji at bottom, so we have the doji at bottom. So if any stocks which forms this kind of way, so it is scanning and give you the stocks which, what are the stocks which forms that kind of. Here you see Godrej Industries and Future Retail Limited, Vakrangi and OB Reality and Future Lifestyle Fashions. So these are the stocks which forms this kind of patterns. Let's check on the chart Godrej Limited, and how many time frame this is. This is based on daily time frame. Okay, so Godrej, let's check Godrej. So I am going to check Godrej consumer product, Godrej Industries. Godrej Industries on daily basis, which I am going to focus whether if it is forms. Yes, if it is forms doji at the bottom, but if you see the previous trend is in down, that is okay, and previous trend is clearly down, but here this previous candle it's broke that high, so that is not a valid doji at bottom. The second stock, which is future retail limited, if it is forms that kind of patterns, we have to focus. This stock is it keeps on going down lower freeze day by day, so that is not a good stock. So I already told you, if the stocks which is doesn't have the movement, so it will forms a 4 priced doji. This is called a 4 priced doji. The open price, high price, close price, and everything are same, so that is called 4 priced doji. When the market is not in move, or when the market doesn't react or not movement, so that time we will find out the doji 4 price doji. And Vakrangi so if you check that, if anything, this is also be going down by down, so we didn't find out any trade opportunities. And OB reality, that may be also be not good stock. OB reality, yes, yeah, this is also be formed clear downtrend, and it forms a doji star, but the doji is having higher the wick, so that wick is very high, so here we don't find out that kind of pattern. So in our normal trading stocks, so we can use a normal time frame of hourly or weekly, so we have the chances to find out this kind of trade signal also. Here you see that there will be clear doji, and next candle also be doji. When it breaks above that level, so you can buy. So that is a based on doji trading system, but we are right now seeing that doji at the bottom. Any stocks which turn to be reversed, from there we will find out doji at bottom. You see that there will be a candlesticks pattern which forms doji at the bottom. So here it is inside here, the perfect doji at bottom, you see that. So here I'm going to explain that how the trade system will be doji at bottom. So here this doji inside, in between the bars, in between the candle of red candle, the previous trend is down, it's clearly going down, so here there will be a big red bar, second condition meets, and previous downtrend is confirmed, and big red candle will also open, so big red, and doji at bottom. So it's not looks like a doji, you take the doji, the previous closing price is same, near about, so it's like a hammer candle, like hammer, white hammer. Okay, if it is a doji, we are taken as a doji, so we have to buy here only, and this as my stop loss. And for example 2100 is my stop loss, where I am taking 2500 is my entry, so 400 point I am taking a risk. The market comes and gives me a profit of 2900, or it reaches near about 3000, so my 1:1 risk reward ratio reaches on the same. So this is called doji at the bottom. So if you have any other thing we can find out, so let's try to study. If any stocks, we have to, if you are coding basis, so we can daily track the stock where it forms the doji. Here you see that this is looks like that, and here this is a doji, and next candle there is a gap higher, and previously we got a trade opportunity, but it suddenly triggers your stop loss and it went up. Okay, this is the way we can find out doji at the bottom. Here you see there will be a doji at the bottom. What we are going to see, previously trend was in down, here we got a clear trade, previous trend is clear down, and we have the big red candle, and the next candle was the doji. So what we got, doji, next candle here, this is a doji candle, and people who take trade here and they got exited on the same candle, but we are waiting to reversal here, so it reaches the peak and this low is not broken, So if you are taking the risk for the trade and the same like reward you got it. This is the candlesticks pattern. When people are following the candlesticks pattern, so they understand where to get the candlesticks reversal pattern and everything. So if you are tracking the same one by one, so or if you following these methods regularly, you can get a good opportunity in the stocks where it can going to be reverse or where it can going to increase their ratio. So you see that Axis Bank yesterday, Axis Bank 377, I think 31st March on hourly basis. It's previously it started rallied and big higher, and here it forms a inverted hammer or a, yeah, doji candle. So near about open low is near about like a inverted hammer, inverted white hammer or shooting star which forms, and previous candle low is the our target point. When the low is broken 378.1, the next candle which broke, so which I maintain a 390 as a stop loss, today market fell down to 336. This is the way we can easily track that kind of doji at bottom. But doji at bottom also happens a few times, but if you find out the doji at bottom, there will be a bigger opportunity in a trend reversal about this stock. So the doji, if it forms at a doji star, or simply we can follow the doji star. So this is the daily basis, and you see that there will be a doji at bottom, previous trend is in down, and doji forms at bottom. So we have to wait for this as a buy and this as a stop loss. It reaches this particular point, and finally this range as a major support, but not broken below, but again it increased. That's about this educational video. So if you are gain some knowledge about this video, I was very much happy. So let's check any other doji bottom. So or we can scan doji at bottom. So any other stock which forms doji at bottom is formed a downward trend. Serum Transport, and Serum Transport is the another thing. So we have to quote what are the things you want. Okay, so doji candle which forms at the bottom, Serum Transport, what is the time frame? 15 minutes. Here they said 15 minutes. Yes, perfect doji at bottom, you see. So this is the way we can find out the doji candle at the bottom, perfect doji at the bottom. Previous trend is clear down. So let's understand the concept. Previous trend is down, yes, right, and the big red end candle and doji forms in the bottom, and next candle is trying to reach more. So this is my stop loss when I get a buy opportunity here. So when the market reaches, I got a confirmation. So still I am waiting for a confirmation candle. That may be a first candle or second candle or third candle. So we have to wait for the confirmation. So this is the exact pattern of doji at bottom. This is clear doji bottom which forms. So this kind of patterns if you find out, so there will be a big opportunity to trade in the market, even intraday and positional basis too. And I think it taken your lot of time. Thanks for being with me, and thanks for watching this video, and thank you very much. Thank you so much. And this is called doji at bottom. Even we can see other videos when I find out a doji at bottom, so I can make a new videos for that, and you understand the concept. And doji at the top also same like that, I can make a new video for that also. Thanks for being with me, and thank you very much.